Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So since I make press-on nails on this channel, I thought it would be a great idea to show you how I take off my press-on nails. This is just how I personally like to do it. It works for me. It doesn't damage my nails. It's pretty quick and super easy. So let's just get into the video. So I am going to be taking off my St. Patrick's nails in this video. As you can see, some of them have already fallen off. I don't really use the method with hot water, soap, and oil very often unless my nails are really loose and lifting and they're about to come off. If they're on there really well and not really lifting, it's really hard to take them off with just soap, water, and oil. And I used to do that, but I ended up wanting to change out my nails like once a week, and it just didn't work for me, and my nails started getting a little damaged. So now I'm just going to show you how I like to take them off. This first step is not 100% necessary, especially if you don't have long nails. I don't even have long nails, but I just wanted to show you this just in case you do have super long press-on nails. It's a lot easier to take them off if you clip them shorter. Just make sure to look at the bottom of your press-on nails and make sure you're not clipping your natural nail. So I just use this false nail clipper. I find it a lot easier to use than a regular nail clipper. So I have my acetone bowl here, just as long as you can fit all 5 of your fingers in there to soak, and you don't really care about the bowl, it'll do. And make sure to get 100% acetone and pour just enough in the bowl so that it covers all your nails fully. I also did want to mention I did use nail glue to apply these press-on nails, but this method can also work with sticky nail tabs. Basically, all you are going to do is put your nails in the bowl of acetone and soak them. Depending on how well your nails are stuck on, how long you've been wearing them, how well you prepped your nails before, and how good the nail glue is, will all determine how long you will have to soak your nails. So it could take less than 5 minutes for some people, or if your nails are on there really well, it could take like 30 minutes. So now I'm just going to take my cuticle pusher. You can also use a wooden one or anything like this. I just soaked my nails in the acetone for a little bit, and I'm going to just push around my nail with this cuticle pusher just to help it loosen up. And just make sure to not push too hard because you don't want to damage your nail. And this is basically the steps you're going to be doing until your nails come off. Just soak them in acetone, and once you think they are loose enough, you can take the cuticle pusher and see if you can get them off. Just be gentle, and if you can't get them off effortlessly, then just put it back in acetone until you can easily take the nails off. I didn't time it or anything, but my guess is I soaked them for around 20 minutes, and I finally was able to get them off. As you can see, I'm not pushing super hard. They just came off pretty easily, and after a few minutes more, I was able to get the other one off. I did take the rest of the nails off camera, so now I'm just going to take a buffer and buff off the excess glue that was left on my nails. You can also just use acetone, but I do find it easier just to buff it off. After soaking my nails in acetone, I like to wash my hands, and it also gets off the nail dust if you did buff your nails. The acetone will dry out your nails and skin, so it is important to use cuticle oil. In addition to cuticle oil, I like to use some sort of lotion. I'm more of a lotion bar girl rather than just regular like liquid lotion. So I just have this lavender heart-shaped lotion bar. I'm just gonna put all over my hands since some of my skin was in the acetone. It will just help nourish them and add moisture back into my skin. And that is basically it for my routine of how I remove my press-on nails. I hope this video helped you guys, and make sure to like and subscribe for more nail content, and go follow my Instagram. I will link it in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye!